There's a current issue with one of the features that are provided for you to increase your computer's performance in instances where you need a little more oomph. It's manifested whenever you play or pause. So in this case, we're looking at this image, and if I hit play, you'll notice that the image turns a little bit green. When I pause, it goes back to looking normal. Again, green, normal. Whenever you see this, you know that the problem is that you need to go into the wrench menu and turn high quality playback on. This is a known issue, and once you do that, everything's going to be fine. The purpose of high quality playback is to alter some things behind the scenes in order to improve performance on computers with limited performance. But for purposes of finishing, you are strongly advised to leave this setting turned on whenever you're working in the color mode on grading your project.